Well, Eddy, look at all this rain. The sound is quite relaxing, isn't it? It seems like a perfect day to stay inside. I was looking at the weather forecast this morning. The forecast is a prediction of the weather. It helps us plan our day. It said there was a high chance of rain, and it looks like the forecast was right. A day like this can feel a bit boring if you have nothing to do. But I have an idea. I have a project for us. Remember that box that arrived last week? It's time to see what's inside. I think it's the new bookshelf. Let's try to put it together. To put together is a phrasal verb. It means to assemble or to build something from parts. We have all the pieces here, and we have the instructions. This should be easy.
The project is simple. The human's confidence is high. I will observe.
Okay, first step. Unpack all the contents. Contents are the items inside a box. Let's lay everything on the floor. To lay something means to put it down flat. That way, we can see all the parts. This is part A. This must be part B. And here are all the screws. So many small pieces. Now let's look at the instruction manual. A manual is a book with information on how to use something. This one has a lot of pages. This looks a little complicated. Complicated means difficult to understand. There are many steps, and the pictures are very small. I need to figure this out. To figure out is another great phrasal verb. It means to understand something, or to find a solution to a problem. It is a very common phrase. I need to figure out where this piece goes.
He is at page 1. His confidence is already shaking. This is my favorite part.
Step 1 says, attach part A to part B using screw number 5. Okay, I can do that. I have my screwdriver right here. This tool is a screwdriver. It helps you turn screws. There are different kinds of screwdrivers. This one is the right size. Let's try to connect these two pieces. It doesn't seem to fit. The holes do not align. To align means to be in the correct position. Maybe I am holding it wrong. Let me turn it around. Let's try this way. No, that is not right either. This is harder than it looks. People say something is a piece of cake when it is very easy. This is not a piece of cake. This is the opposite of a piece of cake. What do you think, Eddy? Am I missing something? To be missing something means that it is not there. I hope we are not missing a piece.
The human is asking the floor supervisor. My diagnosis is he is not reading the pictures correctly.
I've been looking at this for 10 minutes. I am starting to feel a little frustrated. Frustrated is the feeling you get when you cannot solve a problem. It is a very normal feeling. I really thought this would be quick. Sometimes things are easier said than done. That's a common idiom. Easier said than done means that an idea seems simple, but it is difficult to do in reality. Building this bookshelf is easier said than done. Maybe I should take a break and look at it again with fresh eyes. Having fresh eyes means looking at something as if it is the first time. A short pause can help a lot. I'm not going to give up. To give up is another phrasal verb. It means to quit or to stop trying. But I am not giving up yet. We must carry on. To carry on means to continue doing something. It is a good phrase for motivation. I will not be defeated by a bookshelf.
His spirit is strong. His engineering skills are not. But he will not give up. This is a good quality.
Okay, let's try again. I will read the instructions very carefully, word by word. Okay, wait a minute. I think I see the problem. This is not part B. This is part D. They look very similar. They almost look identical. I had the wrong piece all along. That explains everything. I feel a little silly now. Let me find the real part B. Here it is. This one has an extra hole. That is the difference. Now let's try again. Look at that, Eddy. It fits perfectly. The holes align perfectly. Now I can get the hang of it. To get the hang of something is an idiom. It means to learn how to do something. When you start to understand, you are getting the hang of it. I am starting to understand the process. This should go much faster now. The problem had a simple solution. The next few steps are the same. They are repetitive. Repetitive means you do the same thing many times. Now everything seems to be working out. To work out can mean many things. In this context, it means to resolve successfully. My problem with the bookshelf is working out.
The supervisor is pleased. The project is back on schedule. The human has figured it out.
Okay, final piece. And the last screw. Let's make sure it is tight. There. It's done. We put it together. It feels very satisfying. Satisfying is the good feeling you get when you finish something difficult. It ended up looking very nice. To end up is our last phrasal verb. It describes a final result, often an unexpected one. I was frustrated, but the bookshelf ended up being beautiful. It looks just like the picture on the box. And look, the rain has stopped. The sun is coming out. It worked out perfectly. A productive day, after all. Productive means we achieved a good result. What do you think of our new bookshelf, Eddy?
It is a fine structure. It will hold many books. But the box it came in, now that would be a fantastic place to nap.